quickly.
You are my dear Lord, who can understand a mother's feelings better than you, dear Lord. But today I realize that I was blinded by motherly love. I made a grave mistake. And now I have to rectify that mistake. Please forgive me, dear Lord. But I don't see any other way.
Mom?
You're not pressurized to attend the press conference tomorrow. Don't testify if you don't want to. I won't force you. But I have a request. Stay here until the press conference takes place. Don't go out. Karan poses a threat to you all. It's a matter of only 18 hours.
So Arjun has kept everyone here. No one will attend tomorrow's press conference, Arjun.
Mom? What is the matter? You are still doing puja? It's been 2 hours. Is everything okay? Or the Lord has held your hand today?
No, dear. I have held my Lord's hand. Tomorrow is Arjun's press conference. So I was praying to dear Lord for it.
Yes, Mom. The Lord is with Arjun. This time, he won't let anything go wrong.
And you are also with him, my dear. The credit to show Arjun the right direction goes to you. I want you to support Arjun with love, trust and faith. Be by his side.
Mom? Mom, why will I deceive Arjun?
I mean to say that Arjun trusts you a lot. Don't betray his trust, okay? You are the only one who can take care of my Arjun in my absence.
Mom? Really? Where are you going? Although you are older than me, but here I have to interrupt you. Because no one talks like this in front of the Lord.
Silly girl. Everyone has to depart this life one day, right? Now that you are with Arjun to take care of him, I can go to my Lord without any worry. Right? Come on, come let's perform the prayer.
Yes, sir.
Dilawar, I have found out where Arjun has kept those people. I will deal with them. You tell me, how's your work going?
Sir, I won't be able to do it so soon, but I am trying. I will get it done by evening, sir.
Do what you want quickly. We have time only till this evening.
It will be done, sir. I'm hanging up, sir. Arjun has come.
Arjun, what happened there? Did Dr. Bakshi get convinced?
Yes, the matter's under control for now. I got his wife to talk to him. And I've told the doctors at the hospital to give special attention to his wife. But Dia, I would have reacted the same way if it had been someone else. But Dia, what happened to you? Why do you look so worried?
It's nothing, Arjun. I was thinking about Mom.
You're worried about Mom, but why?
Yes, Arjun. she has been behaving differently in the last few days. She seems lost. Arjun, I have never seen Mom this sad and stressed. And you know, today Mom was at the temple for 2 hours. Arjun, I tried to talk to her many times, but she always avoids the topic. You talk to her once, she might tell you what's wrong. I'm sure, Arjun, that there is something that is bothering her a lot.
In that case, okay, Dia, I'll talk to Mom.
Arjun, the preparations for the press conference has been made and the venue has been fixed. I've also sent invites to the media personnel, so everything is set.
Thank you. Thank you, Kush. You've really eased my worry.
Arjun, please, don't thank me. I should have done this thing long ago. You can say that I'm doing myself a favor by doing this. It might help me get rid of the guilt that I have. Arjun, I'm really sorry. I mean, I could never support you because I feared Dad. I could never stand by you, but not anymore. Now your brother is with you, along with you, right by your side. Just win this case soon and return to the badminton court as soon as you can. I can't wait to see you playing again, you know? It has been years now, so many years. What happened? Why are you looking at me like that? Arjun, look, it seems like she's jealous of us, huh? Dia, you've come into his life now. I've been with him since I have the first right over him, okay?
Why would I feel jealous? You are his brother. Even if there was a girl in your place, I wouldn't have felt jealous.
Oh wow, Arjun. This is amazing, huh? It's good then. You'll face no problems. There are no restrictions. What are you doing here? Karan Mathur must have given you instructions, right? He must have asked for some information from you.
Just a minute, Kush. Niharika? What happened? Do you want to say something? Niharika? What's in your hands? Which file is this? Grandma, who's Anjali in this video?
Yes, Anjali worked for us. She used to be our maid.
Anjali, why did Madhuri lie to Arjun about that? It's been so many years. I didn't remember all this, but now I have recalled everything. I have to talk to Madhuri.
This file has all the information about all the plans in which I helped Tina and Karan. I have mentioned each and every detail in this file as to when they made these plans. And this pen drive, it has all the recordings of the calls I had with Tina and Karan Mathur. I used to record all the phone calls, Arjun. Just take these. I want you to give this proof to the police. Arjun, I know that I was involved in all these plans. And the police won't spare me, but it doesn't matter to me because I made a mistake and I should be punished.
Now what is this new drama, huh? Niharika, you know, once bitten, then twice is shy. Now, no matter what you do, you've lost our trust. And you cannot win it back, Niharika. What has been done is done. And do you think that we are crazy? You've betrayed us so many times, and do you want us to trust after that, huh?
Kush, I'm not doing all this to win everyone's trust back. I'm doing all of this because I genuinely feel that I should support what's right. And I want Arjun to win this case. I want him to be acquitted of all the charges, Kush. I really want this.
Kush, I think Niharika is telling the truth this time. And she regrets what she did. So, we should, especially you, should give her a chance.
No, Dia. Do you think I'm seeing this drama for the first time? She always makes mistakes and then apologizes later.
No, Kush. Had Niharika not been remorseful, she wouldn't have given us his pen drive and other proofs. I think Dia is right. So you need to understand.
Whatever it is, Arjun, Niharika doesn't deserve our forgiveness. That is
No,
it.
Kush. This proof can help us. But it's also true that if we use these, Niharika will also be questioned. She will be in trouble.
This was bound to happen, Arjun. How long will you protect her, huh? When Karan and Tina are exposed, then it is obvious that Niharika will also be exposed.
But Kush, we can't let that happen. Niharika is one of us. She's our family. I agree, she made a mistake. She made blunders. But Kush, she has realized her mistake. Besides, she's apologizing to us. Kush, we have to save her from being exposed.
Kush.
I have recalled everything, Madhuri. You lied about that to Arjun. There was no maid by the name of Anjali in your family. The truth is, you are Anjali Agarwal. Your maternal family used to call you Anjali. You testified against your own son? Is that why you lied to Arjun?
Mother, please speak softly. Please speak softly. Arjun might hear you.
But why, Madhuri? He must know that the Anjali Agarwal he's looking for everywhere is none other than his own mother.
Mother, there is no need to tell him the truth. Please keep quiet, Mother. If Arjun finds out the truth, he will start hating me, Mother.
You ruined your own son's life and you've been hiding this truth for the past 5 years.
I know I was wrong. I made a grave mistake. But what could I do at that time? I had no other option, Mother. I couldn't understand what to do. Please stay for one more day. Give me a day's time. I'll tell Arjun everything. Let tomorrow's conference conclude. After tomorrow's conference, my son will find out. My son will find out the truth.
But why did you do that, Madhuri? How could you wrong Arjun? I always blamed Amitabh for what happened to Arjun. But the truth is that what you have done is worse than anything else that I can ever imagine.
I know, Mother. I know I have made a big mistake. But I had no other option. I was in a dilemma, Mother. I was in a huge dilemma, dear Mom. I couldn't make the decision. I had to decide either as a mom or as a wife. And And a mom lost. A mom lost mother.
Just give me a day's time, mother.
I'll make everything right.
Okay, if you don't reveal the truth to Arjun by tomorrow, then I will tell him the truth.
What happened? What were you both discussing? That you had to close the door for it. Please tell me about it.
You want to know everything, right? So you mean we can't talk without informing you?
Okay. No problem. Don't tell me about it. But at least tell me, why have you been upset? What's happened to you? They have said that you weren't okay.
I'm absolutely fine. What has happened to me?
Really? Are you okay? What did you tell Dia? You told her to look after me after you were gone. Listen, I know that you're worried about tomorrow's press conference, right? But please don't worry. Everything will go well. Your blessings are with me. We will win this time.
I know that, dear. I know. You will surely win tomorrow.
It's time for the conference. Arjun has sent passes for us. Once he messages, we'll leave, okay? Who are you people? Tell me.
Hey! Put all of them in the car.
Aren't you Karan's aide?
Hey, oldie! What's your problem? Come on! What is it? Look at this. Is it real or fake? Do you not want to live? Huh? Hey! Nobody will move from here. Otherwise, I'll shoot every one of you. Do as I say, okay? Hey! Put all of them in the car. Hey! Hey! Don't act clever, okay? Otherwise...
Yes, Sadhu uncle. Is everything ready? Uncle, don't worry. I'll be there right now. Karan! Karan!
Arjun, what happened?
They are Karan's goons abducted the witnesses.
What?
I'll be right back.
Arjun?
Uncle!
Son Arjun?
Uncle, are you all right? Has something happened to you?
No. I'm just a little hurt.
You're hurt? Come on, let me take you to a doctor.
Arjun, I'm absolutely fine. I'm fine. Forgive me, Arjun. Who are you people? Tell me. I couldn't protect your witnesses. How will we hold the conference now?
The conference will take place. No matter how hard Karan Mathur tries, this press conference will take place.
Without the witnesses? How? Yes. Your witnesses fell prey to an accident. Now, who would testify in your favor? Yes, there is one person though, but I know very well how to silence that person. It's impossible to defeat Karan Mathur. You must understand this now.
I am leaving Kush. Anyway, after all the things I did, I know that you cannot tolerate me. And I just cannot watch you hate me anymore. I'd rather go away. I have told Mom that I will stay with her for a few days. Kush, I won't return until you want me to. I can stay there for the rest of my life if I have to. If you wish to divorce me, then you can do that too. I will not ask you anything. You can send the papers to me. I will sign them. I just need you to forgive me. That's all.